Set up statutory and voluntary contributions for compliant payroll deductions. Contribution management begins in payroll, the strategic framework for managing statutory and voluntary fund allocations. The contribution component's master defines specific rules for organizational fund and employee benefit schemes. Contribution name and print name identify the fund on internal ledgers and employee pay slips. Contribution type determines if the fund is financed by the employee, the employer, or both. These granular configurations ensure legal compliance and accurate benefit distribution across the entire diverse corporate workforce. Calculation base establishes the biometric or fixed data source used for precise and automated fund value computation. Calculation possible value determines the specific data points retrieved during each scheduled and active payroll processing cycle. Payrun term specifies the frequency of deductions applied during each scheduled and active payroll run. Tax relief defines the portion of the contribution exempt from all standard and applicable employee income tax calculations. Tax relief value automates net pay calculations based on current local and national regulatory standards. Employee deduction sets the fixed amount or percentage subtracted directly from the employee's gross earnings. Employer deduction specifies the company's financial obligation toward the specific benefit or statutory fund program. Output value controls how the calculated amount appears in financial reporting and general accounting ledgers. Show and salary slip and deduction limit enforce financial transparency while maintaining strict regulatory fund contribution caps. Allow employee-wise change enables individual adjustments to satisfy specific employment contracts or unique seniority requirements. Saving the component validates all formulas and integrates the new fund into the automated payroll engine. Centralized component management ensures accurate statutory compliance and reduces manual errors in global benefits administration. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.